So we got this one, 8, 9, and that's the ending. Not the rabbits, not the bees. What time are we on?
I've made it back inside.
We'll be able to finish it.
We cleared the blockade in the elevator, so just take that up when you're ready.
Okay. Taking the elevator. Come fly with me. Let's fly away. Wow. Oh, we're going back up to this. Okay. Ooh, I feel like doing another oracle. I'm feeling generous. Feel free to vote for anything that you need. My D&D character I was telling you about is fighting for her life right now. Oh god. Please look after her. Hi.
What the hell happened here?
Oh.
Maybe we arrived too late.
Uh-oh.
Maybe we didn't. We have no idea what's behind this door.
No. One way to find out.
Is everything all right, Sarah?
I don't know.
More bodies.
Gosh.
Security drones. Hate these things.
You okay?
Yeah. It's been years.
Noted.
But we should
First
turn
mission
back.
back on the
Clearly not
moon.
safe.
He pretended they were there to govern not soon after he used them to take over the base. Wait, were they killed?
Look around and see what we can find. Be careful, everyone.
I feel like people started rebelling. So the people in charge took control of them. Or took care of business in that sense. That's not great. It's not great. Okay, what am I missing here? Can I... Nope. But you can though, right? It's around here. Okay, so can't go that way. There's this. What am I missing? Missing something. What are you looking at over there? How's Oracle Walk? Yeah. So you just pick one that you need, and if it's the one that's most voted, then you get it. If there are multiple people voting, then it goes to the winning one. What do you mean, nope? What do you mean, nope? Why can't I interact with you? I gotta do you first. Oh.
Sorry, I didn't mean to.
What do you mean, nope, Makion?
Anything useful on there?
Its protocols are all messed up. Seems a kill switch turned it off, and likely the others too.
So there is some voting going on somewhere that I can't see. No, so essentially you just click on the number that you need and it will automatically put it into the auto vote. Oh, I see. I think it does register it though. I'm pretty sure. Although it has been messing up a little bit lately. So essentially people just click on the one that they want, and so essentially the winner is the one with the most votes, and if it's a draw then it just picks one randomly. It didn't register at that time? Oh. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Look at this. Outward by the door, probably guarding the bridge. The security ASCs, MacArthur's own ASCs, are facing them, not homeward. So...
They were attacking outward instead of homeward.
Oh.
What's Sarah's deal with security ASCs?
Oh.
one attacked her on the moon. It's the reason she got stuck there. During the blackout, she went to investigate the cause, and one knocked her out.
So they are attacking the people that wanted to stay. Hopeless, GG's on winning. Has Mars been delivered? Not yet, Clues. Not yet. We're on chapter 7 of 9. Plus the little ending, obviously. How you doing though, Clues? I hope you're well. I hope you're well. And then the body was the last one, right? Yeah.
You see what some of them are holding, Ayla? These people barricade the entrance. Why would they block their own escape? Unless they weren't trying to escape.
Wait, so these are the outward people, which means they're obviously trying to stop the security things from getting in. But how are the security ones stopping them from... Why would the security ones stop them from leaving? Maybe the person in charge actually gave up? Which sounds unlikely.
Did that door just open by itself?
Hello? Oh, jeez, I pressed the wrong button. I was like trying to crouch.
What was that? I know that sound. Came from over there.
Is there someone here? Oh, there was that other thing. The other robot that we saw. You didn't answer what cheese for grilled cheese. I said it's a very complicated question. I'd always recommend going over multiple cheeses than one. But it depends on like what outcome you want. And what is your ideal grilled cheese? Do you like a good cheese pull? Do you like a lot of flavor? Like, there's big decisions to have, you know? Anything good on the YouTubes? Me? Oh, I stayed up late. I stayed up late clutching the... Anything... Oh, yeah, man just asked. I was about to ask exactly the same question. Oi, bruv. Oh, God, it's Barnaby. That coffee went right through me. I'm taking care of business now. Boom. Sweet, thanks for the play-by. Do you know what they do to our waste? You want to have this conversation right now? Out of mind. Out of mind. I don't know how I feel about that. They dehydrate the poop over at Vita and then send it over to Odin for compost. The cycle is amazing. How you still sort of eat your own waste at the end of it all. How cool is that? Yay. Isn't halloumi the best grilled cheese? No, so, Makion, we're not talking about grilling cheese. We're talking about a grilled cheese. As in, like, kind of like a cheese toasty, but like how you fry the bread as well. What's your favorite cheesy? Nice try. Nice try. Everyone knows Cheesy's favorite cheese. I spent way too much time watching. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not the only one who does go, what the fuck is a grilled cheese? I know. Apparently it's not, like, very well known, apparently. At least Amanda's tried one. At least Money has tried one. Apologies. Oh my gosh. Did you see the amount of bodies? No, it's not, Debs. It's not. Oh my gosh. You did. You did.
How does it come to this?
Petechial hemorrhages. Cyanosis. They suffocated.
Oh.
Everyone?
Yeah. Both homeward and outward.
We have to leave. It's too dangerous.
Too dangerous? Sarah, there's no one left.
We don't know that. I mean, look what they did to each other.
Sarah, please calm down.
No. I mean, if there are any survivors, we have nothing to defend ourselves. We have to go back.
Oh. We're about to find out what happens.
Ayla detects holograms?
Yeah? Doesn't Alex do that too?
No.
Oh.
And I've been trying to break the Lunar Council encryption key for years. How many of these have you found?
Only a couple.
You're a liar.
Play it.
What?
Play it.
Uh-oh. This is just like D&D when Benjamin found out, or when Benjamin was like, why is there a child here? I was like, oh.
Kathy, play it.
Okay. Where? This way. No, not that one. It's down. Closer? Further away? Nope. Around again? Yep. Oh, there's a third one. Okay, now you know they're getting difficult. Eh. Oh gosh, this one is difficult. Let's go there. And then in, out. There we go. Little Miss Bossy
You are
Boots.
all delusional if you think Mars will ever be safe for us.
You destroyed Odin. It's unsafe here because of you.
We need to go home to Earth. We can't stay here.
Earth is a lost cause. Why don't you see that?
I will not die without seeing my family again.
People, please. Enough! Fighting like cornered animals. You're all better than that. Things here haven't been easy, but it's hardship we have to endure to make outward work. It's hardship we had foreseen. Those of you who wish to return with the Arks, what do you think Earth will do with them? Who's at the front of the queue to be helped? You? Each and every one of you would be put on trial the moment your feet touch the ground. And what of the nations that don't get a say? That don't get control? What do you think they will do? They will fight, they will kill, and they will destroy. Like mindless, irrational beasts, they will destroy the Arks and each other. For over 30 years, we've known that Earth has passed the point of no return.
I think that's a slight glitch in the game. I think that's meant to be a person.
Will be near and distinct from that of Mars. Pushing the frontier of humanity always comes with a cost. But it's a price we have to pay for a better tomorrow. We can still move forward in unison and make this work. If only we...
Enough, William! We are done with your speeches. We are done being ignored. Your lofty talk of unity
Like that
stinks
floating
in the face
badge.
of all those you've got locked up in medical. Desperate people who resorted to desperate measures. Your inaction and ignorance forced their hands. We miss our families and friends back on Earth. If our tech and our minds can help save it, we have to try. You forced us to board the Arks. You forced us to live and work in this nightmare. And now, you're forcing our hand. We will be heard, William. You will listen to us. Now, Julia.
Oh.
How... Rosa, what have you done?
After him! Rosa for all Homewardians! Grab MacArthur and get to the bridge!
Oh. So she was doing it. I literal chills.
They used the ASCs to fight their way to the bridge.
Oh my gosh.
I can't believe MacArthur pushed this to an all-out civil war.
MacArthur?
Yes, MacArthur.
The ASCs, the attack on Odin? Rosa is just as culpable, don't you think?
Rosa? You must be joking. These people have no choice. They didn't choose to be violent. MacArthur forced their hand.
That doesn't mean the ends justify the means.
I don't think MacArthur's to blame.
Without her, none of this would have happened.
Using the oppressor's weapons against them is completely justified.
Doesn't that make her as much of a dictator as he was? She's imposing her will just like MacArthur did. We saw the horror of not wanting to leave.
This isn't some hypothetical moral dilemma from one of your dad's college lectures. This is clear cut.
What do we think? Do we think it was MacArthur? I'm not convinced. I'm not convinced. Do we actually know how old is Kathy? I don't know. I don't think they
We should go now.
confirmed it.
While we still can.
I don't think they
Was that-
confirmed it.
Ace. Oh my god, it's It's Ace. He made it here with Dad.
Apparently so. This
He's
is all
leading
the
us somewhere.
sleeping quarters.
Ayla, could it be?
Are we going back to Dad? I kind of want to go this way first. What's up here? Oh, is it just more sleeping quarters? Probably some more collectibles, I imagine. Potentially. Oh, surely they wouldn't take us all this way, right? Yeah, I think this is just a big loop. But we can go down here. Surprise! I found you! Hi. I don't think I was meant to do that.
Ace, wait!
Oh, okay. I
How do you get in there?
trapped it. Strange.
Damn.
This is just Japanese
Let's find a way
capsule
in.
hotel. I've always wanted to stay in one of those, to be fair. Always wanted to stay in one. Okay, so I need to power... Oh, wait. No, I don't need to power. There's going to be a power thing around here, right? No, but... Oh, I can't use my C anymore? Oh, okay. I'm going to stay in a morgue. That's what those things remind me of. I wouldn't say that they're morgues. But yeah, I think they look really unique, to be fair. They do look very, very unique. Okay, so we can't go this way. We can interact with this. No. So where's R1 gone? Oh gosh, okay. So we don't have ours. And I can't get through there without mine. Wait, this is the same bit that we climbed up before, right? I wonder if we can... No. So we won't be able to go back that way now. Interesting. So I don't have my AD. I can't get into there, which I feel like I need to do. And I can't get into this side because they've locked it, and this needs power. Must be some other way around. You're back? No worries. Absolutely fine. Also can't go into this way. Let's go back upstairs to see if there's anything around. Because I didn't actually check this way either. Might be something this way. I feel like... Because that's a window, isn't it? This one's certainly a bit more of a challenge. Just more collectibles.
Better write that down.
How peculiar. Well, there's another one in here. But I can't... I need to find where this power source is. There's got to be one somewhere, right? Did you bug out Ayla? No. I don't know where mine's gone. I don't know where my Ayla's gone. Oh, are you saying that I probably have bugged out? I mean, there might be a potential for that. Guess it is still an early game. Still lacking, but we've encountered a small bug. If you move to the menu and click continue, it's fixed. Thank you. Wait, what's fixed? Press escape. You say go to the main menu or just this menu? Actually, clock name menu. Okay. Noted. Thank you. It's good to know. See, this is the perks about devs coming in, right? And you'll have Ayla back. Perfect. There we go. I was very confused for a second then. I was like, surely I need this. Surely I need this.
How do you get in there? Damn. Let's find a way
Thank you
in.
very much. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so I know... So I know that I can pick these up, which is great. But I doubt that I'll be able to put it through there, which is fine. So I'll leave that there. Where is this key? There's a key somewhere, right? Here we go. Boop. We'll unlock this. Do this one. With Kathy in a second. Let's just double check. Ah, found it. Perfect. Okay. So down and around. Oh wow, this is in tight quarters. Let's go this way. There.
Well, then make him authorize it.
Rosa, please stop this. This has all gone too far.
This is just the beginning.
Hacking the ASCs, storming medical to release the prisoners. You're not hearing the madness of it all.
MacArthur cut us off from Ark Labos, not me, Isaac.
Oh, she hacked in.
Why are you even here? To parlay on behalf of our glorious leader?
I came as
We
a
have
friend,
popcorn.
Please. Please listen to reason.
I'm done listening, and I'm done talking.
What about people who support Outward and want to thrive? The people you have security ASCs pointing their weapons at right now.
We are leaving today, and we're taking the Arks with us. If you want to help, go to the Panopticon and tell MacArthur to turn Labos back on. Otherwise, stay out of it.
I think she's going rogue. She's absolutely going rogue.
Why? Why are they acting like this? We've been through so much together. How is this happening? I hope they're okay.
Okay, that's part one done. Okay, so let's go back upstairs. Oh, hello. I didn't mean to press that button, but that's exactly what I needed. Okay, so now let's go in here. Oh, we should probably do this one first, actually, right? Let's do this one first. Didn't realize that was so close. Oh, wrong button. Is there any special reason why you have popcorn, Amanda? It seems a little out of the blue. Obviously, I'm not complaining. Popcorn's amazing. Okay. Let's go up there first. Okay, let's check that. We bought. You bought 16 bags of popcorn? Why? That's a lot of popcorn. Feel free to send me some. Okay, so this is open, which is fine. Wait, I can't pick that up. Oh, wait, hang on. Because if I pick this up, that closes. Right? Brain. I need that. Can I smash this window? Hold on. I need that. But as soon as I take that, I'm going to be locked inside. Hang on. Welcome to my favorite. Oh, okay, nice, nice. Ad's starting soon as well, by the way. Hold on. Maybe. Hang on. So if I go in here, I take this, I'm stuck in here. And then you can obviously fly out. You can't open this, but you might be able to do something else, potentially. Is that little vent at the side? At the side of where? Oh, or did you mean the one that I just flew through? Yeah, so I can get through, but from what I can tell, that bit there is the only way to open this door. Oh my, what? Yes. So the only thing I can do now is apparently get stuck by here. So I've done that one. There's no way into there. I'm having my very comfort breakfast, scrambled eggs with smoked salmon. That sounds incredible. Oh, I haven't had smoked salmon in years. Wait, hang on. Where does this go? Can I get in there? No. Can I get... Hold on. Hold on. Where's this go? Can I get in here? I feel like I'm overcomplicating this again, right? Yeah, I probably am. I thought I could potentially fly in there to go up there. Don't think that's a thing. Wait, hang on. So I can go through here though, right? Can I... No, because I can't activate that one either, can I? I can pick these out, which is good, but can't do anything outside of that. Oh, it is very easy. Scrambled eggs and just layer. Yeah, for sure. Okay. Either way, I feel like I need this. Can I get this, like, really close to the door and then just, like, yoink it? Can I just grab it? Ready? Yeah. Okay, no. No is the answer. Okay. I think I might be being silly. Let's... Okay, let's swap it over again. Oh, hello. Let's swap this over again. So that's too much, but that's only because that's being doubled. So if I take away... Oh wait, hang on. I'm being silly, aren't I? Wait. No. Wait. Hold on, my brain's doing like flips right now. Hang on. Why can't I choose... Why can't I choose which one goes where? I am obviously being very silly right now. And I can't figure out how. Hang on, right. Let's think about this properly. Laser comes in, it's being split. Because it's... So essentially what I need... What I need is the diffuser from upstairs. You might need coffee. I've ran out. I've ran out. Because that's full power. That's going into there, which is splitting the beam. Brain hurt. Come on, brain. Think of things. Oh wait, this hasn't been opened before.
I'll get that down.
I don't think it was that intentional though, right? You ran out of coffee gas. Yeah, at least brewed stuff. I can brew some more, but I don't want to. I feel like I'm being very silly. Hold on. Just gonna run to bed after night. No worries, Vix. Enjoy your sleep. Do all the good things. Wait, there's a ladder in there. Why is there a ladder in there? I didn't see that ladder before. Why is there a ladder in there? Does that come from upstairs? There's a ladder. I saw a ladder. That wouldn't have been there. Do I? I don't think so, right? No. Oh, it's in here. How do I open this? Wait. No. Brain. Hold on. Hold on. If I open this up, does that open the side door as well? Is that what happened? Oh, Jesus Christ. Can I press the right buttons? There we go. Does that open that side door? So I can get down, hopefully. No. No is the answer. Great. Okay. That needs to stay open, but I need that other one somehow. I need this one. Okay, so I need to open this side for sure. I need to open those doors. Okay, let's get this one in. And then how did this door open again? Can anyone remember how I opened this door? U, wasn't it? U. Okay. Wait. I wanna... Okay, so that's no longer doing that, right? So that's open. Which means, in theory, I can take this. I can take this one. Wait! Look at me go! I'm a smart man. Oh, I'm on death saves? Oh my god! That's not great. That's not great. Okay. That's there. That's there. Can I... Can I... I feel like I still need the other one, right? I still need the other one. Or do I? Yeah, because that's... Yeah. So I still need one. I feel like I do need that one. That's out, though. That's fine. So if I go back... So I don't need anything in that room anymore. I still feel like I'm doing something extremely wrong. At least I've got one out. One out is better than none out. I'm like a bird. Okay. Already got that. So I can't take that away without it closing. That's pretty understandable. I am so confused. So if I take that, that shuts. That's inevitable. And you can't do anything with it, right? Can I, like, stand in the way of the door? Is that a thing? If I just go here? Do you want to help? No, I half go through the door. No, yeah, not really, but might need to. No, I can't be this silly. I can't be this silly. I want to figure it out. I want to figure it out. Direct beam. Wait. Hang on. I have an idea. I don't think it's right, but I have an idea. Wait, how did I open this door again? Okay, this is not the right idea. Okay, go on, Amanda. Tell me. And I'll do gets lost because that's only fair. Gets lost in game. Jeez, that's... I don't... Am I just being silly? Clues, am I being silly? I feel like I'm being silly. I'm glad that I have one out, though. I'm glad I have one out. Jeez. So that laser up there activates that door. I can't do anything about that laser. That's fine. Okay, so first you put the beam across the gap. Done. I'm proud. I got that far without being confused. Alem, hi, welcome on in. How you doing, handsome? I hope you're well. Hope you're well. We're just trying to figure out this very difficult puzzle. And by figure out, Amanda's going to tell me. Oh, that ladder doesn't actually go anywhere. Well, that's annoying. Wait, do I... No. Because even if I move that, then I'm stuck in here. Wait. Wait. Does that middle bit open? Oh my god, hold on. If I move this... Does anything open? No. Okay, that means I'm just stuck. Did Isla go through the aperture? She needs to move the spitter slightly back to open a side door. Eh? A side door? What do you mean a side door? Oh. Is it literally this? No, it's not. I don't know. I'm good, thanks. Just got back to the gym. Amazing. What were you working on today? What are you working on today? Was it legs, arms, chest, cardio? A go through the aperture. She needs to move the split slightly back to open a side door. I don't know what side door you're on about, though. That's why I'm confused. So what if this is like blocked off, essentially? Yeah, even if it's blocked off, it goes through the wall. I think you got that part, but the resistor right in front of the emitter. The what? Oh, the resistor we got from over here? So move this. What does that do? That blocks off everything. And now we're trapped. And now we're trapped. Uh-oh. Well, now I can't get in or out. Well. Can we totally reset the puzzle? Sure. Let's get back to the menu. I just, like, screwed it over. I found a way to break the puzzle. Okay. Yes. Right.
Ace, wait!
Okay. Back to normal.
Get in there.
Oh, do I need to go? Oh, okay. All right, I need to do it all.
Find a way
Okay,
in.
let me unlock everything. Let me unlock at least the doors and stuff. I didn't even know that was, like, possible to break everything. I need to remember where the first bit is. Okay, so go around here. Open the floor panel. Yeah. Oh, I need to do all this bit again. Alright, bear with me, Amanda. Bear with me. I need to do this bit again, I think. 1, 2. 3.
Well, then make him authorize
I can
it.
skip that bit. Floor panel.
Why are they acting like this?
Okay.
They
Got
do
it, Amanda.
So much together. How is this happening?
Aim it across the gap.
I hope they're okay.
Top bit or bottom bit? Done. Now what? Through the door that Ace went through? I can't go through there. I can't go through there. What are you on about? Reduce the power signal. No, I can't go through there. What are you on about? Did we encounter sharks? No clues, no. Can open the floor panel in the hologram room. Yep, outfit the MPT and aim it at the splitter across the gap. The beam will be sent to the door Ace fled through, but you need to reduce the power. Yes. I need the 2 bits. One from that room, one from that room. That's what I need. There should be sharks on Mars. No. That's step 1. Okay, step 1 is done. Yes. Feel free to tell me the rest of the steps. Please don't start actually, like, saying steps. Go across in the room with the splitter and send Isla. I don't know why I'm calling it Isla. Ayla. Okay. Which... Okay, yeah. Through here. Yes. Have a move splitter slightly back so the emitter... From the emitter so that its side beam past resistors into the dream room. It will open the side door allowing capture. Okay. So now then I can go through there. Yes, okay. That's where we got to first, yes. We have 1. 1 is complete. And we can place that probably here. Okay. Now the top one. Okay, fine. We'll place it over here. Done. Oh, wait. Because we've placed it there. Because we've already placed it there, then we don't need it on the second one. I often wonder how wow, I didn't realize it was that easy. Oh, not quite. Jesus Christ. I'm such a fool. I really am. I get it now. I get it. Oh. I'm genuinely a fool. Yeah, I know what to do now.
Nice.
Thank you, Amanda. Jeez. I can't believe I was that silly. Well, actually, it was a little complicated. Let's be real. Let's be real. There we go. You're welcome, Job. You did that all on your own? No, I did not.
On with MacArthur. Isaac, please respond. Isaac, are you still alive? I'm sorry it all came to this. Tell MacArthur to turn on Habitas. Isaac.
She killed Isaac. She killed Isaac? Oh gosh. Okay. Oh no. Oh. Isn't that the starting scene?
They murdered her. Savages. Hey. Still with Rose after all these years? Why didn't you tell us where you were going?
I just saw Ace and went after him. Found another hologram. MacArthur shut down Labos to stop Rosa and Homewood from activating the launch sequence. Then, I think, he shut off the oxygen from the entire colony.
You've seen Isaac in these holograms, haven't you? We're leaving.
What?
What?
We'll restart the MPT connection to Labos from the bridge. We're gonna prep Habitas for launch and be gone before nightfall.
What about Arc Vita?
Rosa is dead, Kathy. Everyone is dead, and anyone that's left is probably armed and wouldn't hesitate to kill us.
But we haven't completed the mission.
We are a man down, and mission-critical gear that could have helped us is missing. Arc Vita may be important, but we don't know where it is, and we don't know if it's functional, and I will not risk the success of this mission on finding it. So we are leaving now. That is an order.
So, what do we do with this little guy?
Yeah, very much so.
Ace, turn around. ASC unit 63754-N. Ownership transfer. Lunar Council override. 170544. Isaac Johansson. Say your name.
Say mate. Ryan Delyanin.
Oh. How long are you going for? I'm optimistic that I can finish this game tonight, Amanda. So probably till midnight, depending on how quick the next couple of chapters are.
Kathy, align the dish with Arc Labos.
Oh, wrong button. Okay, I gotta go search that. That's absolutely fine, Amanda. Please do. Please do. I doubt that, Clues. I'm very much doubtful.
It's done.
Right. Ryan, conduct final checks, and then we're gone.
On it.
Sarah,
What the?
Uh-oh. Is that one of the arcs? It's one of the arcs.
Did it? Are we?
Oh gosh.
What did you do?
I didn't do anything.
I
You
don't...
did that on purpose. What?
Sarah,
That
stop.
was our last way off the planet.
Stop!
There is
Stop!
no way home.
Sarah,
That was our
stop!
last way to
Hey,
go.
wait.
We are.
Sarah!
We
Stop
are
it!
not going
Keep a
home.
hold of yourself!
Don't you understand?
Sarah!
You'll be able to catch it on the vault, Sloan, or on YouTube. Uh-oh. Yeah, good point. Good point. The YouTube's, yeah, so much so. Definitely feels.
Ryan, I swear, I have no idea what happened. MPTs don't work like that. I could have made it happen even if I wanted to. Not that I wanted to, I just...
I know.
Is she okay?
Yeah. Yeah, she'll be fine. She just needs a second or two or a few hours.
So, what now?
How likely is it that the MPT dish can still be hooked up, do you think?
Not very likely.
So, there's a small chance.
Well, we'd have to hope that the dish didn't take the brunt of the impact. And even if it didn't, it'd need to be in line of sight with Habitas, and I'd have to check all the transformers and converters and hope that they're
I
all
think
still
it's the last
intact.
bit of hope we have. I can't leave Sarah like this. But I can take your lead on this from here.
Okay.
You trust me. I came from the gym
Cap?
full of adrenaline before bed. Love that for you, Mikey.
We're counting on
How
you.
was the gym? What are you working on today? What were you working on? Hope the game and night is going well. So far, so good. So far, so good. What time are we on? 10:30. I feel like we can go through for another hour and a half. Ideally, I want to finish this today, but we'll see. We'll see.